Hi, it's the first time I'm doing a live session. I've never gone live, so forgive me if technically I do something wrong because I'm very challenged. And it's weird because it's just one-way conversation, not used to it, and I'm also trying to read what you all are writing. I'm doing great, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. You love my hair. I'm liking them too. It's growing, and yeah, but it's little untamed. So yeah, Hans Raj. I look like Hans Raj. Okay, fine. He's a great singer, and I take utmost pride in being compared to him. Thank you. I am doing great. I am that one disciple. How are you doing? I do have a tattoo. Yeah, I do have two tattoos. One tattoo is right here and one is right here. I'm not going to tell you what it means. It's too cheesy. Ayushman is eating lunch. Yeah, he's eating lunch. I think I should lock the room before my kids come in. Or let them. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Khyati. You're so excited to see me live, and I'm excited too. It's very new to me, this whole concept of going live. Hi, Tyra. How do you manage work and home life? Suchira Sani. Yeah. Right now, though, everybody is managing the same way. It's homework, in the sense there is housework along with trying to keep ourselves busy. I think it's important in these times to have a mission, whatever that mission is. It always helps us during these tough times. So I think I'm managing like the rest of you all. And yes, yeah, you can eat a biscuit. Okay, my daughter just came to ask for permission for a biscuit. Sorry? You can talk loudly.
Chocolate biscuit.
Yeah, how many?
One.
Alright, good girl. Okay, I am Rahi.06. You're a big fan of Ayushman, and I have noticed. Oh, thank you. So many hearts. Arisha has given me so many hearts. Shimal, I have been painting for, I was a kid, I was a kid when I used to paint, and in fact, I'm a single child, and both my parents have always been working. So, and my mom used to come back in the evening, and I used to come back home earlier. I used to take the bus and come, and then those were the days when we didn't have any iPad or computer or whatever. So I had my paints, and there was a time when I ran short of paper and drawing books, so I started painting the walls. And I am so grateful to my parents that they allowed me to sort of paint my room's walls. And then there was a time when I had sort of painted all the walls of my room, and then there was the ceiling which was left. So I took the staircase and I took the ceiling also. So that was, I think I was about like 12, 10 till about 16, 17, 18, I think. And then now, because of this lockdown, the positive part is that we're getting to explore and hone our skills that we had sort of neglected over a period of time. Thank you. My health is doing fine, and I'm doing good. Yes. You can see Ayushman's hand. Can you show your hand? Yeah, he's come and he's showing a peace sign. What do you want?
My earphone.
Okay. Yeah. So hot. Yes, I'm from Chandigarh. Hey Tina, you missed meeting me. So right now, I think all of us are in the same situation. Thank you, Shimal, for appreciating my paintings. So many messages I'm missing out on a lot. Thank you for loving my hair. I'm also liking them. Pandey Ji is saying hi, Tyra. I have forgotten. It's already gone. Okay. You want to see my dress? Why do you want to see my dress? I'm wearing a top and I'm wearing shorts and I've kept a pillow to give myself support, and that's what you wear during lockdown, just home clothes, comfortable clothes. Usually I'm in my night suit. In fact, if you've seen all the paintings that I've been holding, it's always with the night suit, because at night, actually now, most part of the day I'm wearing my night suit. So yeah. And I've also gained weight. How many of you have gained weight during this lockdown? Yeah, can you tell where to start Nichiren's Buddhism? You can just start chanting right away. It's fairly easy, and it is one thing. Sorry, just a second. Remote धक्के से ही चलता है. It's something that has really kept me sane during all these times, and especially now. There are days when I too feel gloomy, and my fundamental darkness, honestly speaking, is sadness. I tend to get sad, and when you have a situation like this, especially, I think that gets accentuated. But the good part is that I'm aware about this. So each time that I'm dipping, I just pick myself up and I start chanting. So I feel to have a mission of accomplishing something. So I have taken it onto myself that I'm going to see this entire phase through with a high life state. I allow myself to dip, but with the sense of awareness that I'm dipping, I'm going to bounce back. So the practice has really helped me, and chanting Namyo Horenge Kyo, that's Nichiren's Buddhism. If you all want to give it a try, please do. If you want to know more, you can go and search for SGI, Soka Gakkai International. That's the website. And there are very nice official videos which can actually teach us, beginners, how to sort of start chanting. And it truly is transformational. Kalakar Singh, Simmi Paji, what's up? Kithe ho? Of course, kare. I speak Punjabi too. So yeah. Thank you. My TED talk was inspiring. Thank you so much. The messages are coming too quickly. Sorry, and I can't read. You love my old hairstyle. Okay. From Panchkula. Hey, that's my city. That's my husband's hometown. I'm from Chandigarh, but Chandigarh and Panchkula are neighboring cities. So, please suggest any eye cream. I don't know any eye cream, yaar. Sorry. हमारे घर में बोरोलीन होती है हर चीज के लिए. If there is any problem, then we put boroline. That comes from my husband. What FYI, Paji? What do you want to say, Simbi Paji? Can I sing a song in Punjabi? No. I am not a singer. Prakriti, you telling me Chandigarh misses me, and I miss Chandigarh too. Simmi Paji, it's your birthday? So see, this is the first time I'm going live on your birthday. I'm wishing in front of everybody, Kalakar Singh, Simmi Paji, a very, very happy birthday. He is truly an inspiring friend. I've never seen such an inspiring person in my life. He is the definition of inspiring. He has overcome something very, very huge, and the way he has fought it is unbelievable. Lot of love and respect to you, Simmi Paji, and a big happy birthday. And I'm going to call you right after this live session. I didn't see the Zee Cine Awards yesterday, but I have seen Ayushman's performance, and I've seen snippets of Apar Shakti also comparing along with Raj. We met in Assam. Harinish. We did, okay. I also can't wait for my feature film. Hopefully soon. See, we all have our lists of things that we want to do and accomplish, and the beautiful part is that it's a journey. So I'm loving this journey, and it's been more than 2-3 years with one particular project, and I've seen many challenges when it comes to my feature film. It's not easy for some people. Must be thinking, that since my other half, the skinnier half is what I say, is into films, it becomes easy. But no, I think if anybody has to spend even a rupee on somebody else's script or talent, then it really requires a whole lot of trust and belief, and it really comes from a space of your own abilities and capabilities and your own project. So I am excited. Of course, I get sad कि यार क्यों नहीं बन रही काफी साल हो गए, but it is in my prayers, and I am working towards it. Along with working, I'm chanting also towards it, and I hope you all support me in your prayers too. Hi, Hazel, Dazzle, Shubhranki, Positive, hello, Ashu. So many heart signs are these for me or my husband. Discover Rima, thank you. We are the most imperfect couple, actually. We are quite crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you think it's perfect, then thank you. Soumya Satpathy, I'm saying your name. Dania Ali, a book. Right now I'm reading, I've forgotten the name of the book, but I'm reading Rusbeh Bach's some book. I'll just check on. But one of my favorites is 40 Rules of Love by L.F. Shafak. So if you have not read, please do read. Thank you, Pranisa Puri. Khushi, trouble, imperfect is perfect. That's true. That's true. We should celebrate our imperfections. Chetan Sharma, I'm saying your name. This is so lovely. There's so many people out here giving me your love. Thank you so much. I never expected this. This is a fun live session. There's so many people in here. Yeah, I want to direct something eventually. Like I have directed a few short films, but I do want to go into feature. So yeah. How did I get to know about Buddhist chants? A friend of mine, Sukriti Vadera, and she also is on Instagram, and she's also the Doctor of Happiness, and she has been trying to introduce me for the past many years, and I have been resisting till the time I realized that this is what I need right now, because I was in the lowest of my lowest life phases. I was down in the dumps, pretty sad and unhappy, and felt helpless. And that's when she introduced, and I took to this practice only to test it. And yeah, it was transformational. It's been transformational. Pinny is amazing. Thank you, Mana Samana. Please, everybody, watch Pinny. It's my last short film. You've been to Rajasthan? No, I have not been to Rajasthan. Guneet Monga, I love you. She's a producer of Pinny and producer of many films, and hopefully my films too in the future. Thank you so much, Akanksha. I've become Pirates of the Caribbean. एक आंख covered है. Thank you for the love. Okay. Hi, you're from Pakistan. Hello. Thank you so much. Another one, Hafiz Shoaib from Pakistan. Hello. Thank you. Kudiani was great. Thank you, Twinkle. Thank you. That was my brother-in-law in it. Yeah, and I directed it. Akshay Jain, thank you. My favorite quote, Shana Ramna. If I'm spelling pronouncing your names incorrectly, I apologize. I'm very bad with names and directions and numbers, and I'm the best confidant, honestly speaking, because I forget things. I genuinely forget gossip as much as I enjoy. I forget. So if anybody wants to confide anything in me, please do, because it's not going anywhere. It gets lost within my cerebellum and medulla oblongata. I don't know what bullshit I was saying. My favorite quote is from Mr. Daisaku Ikeda, the president of SGI, and he's my mentor. He says that to do what I can is normal, to go beyond my ability is a challenge, and where my ability ends, my faith begins. And I think this is so true during these times. There's as much as we are capable of. We can't step out of our homes. There's nothing that we can do. But yes, applying wisdom, staying isolated within our houses is one. And apart from that, have the intention and determination to come out of it stronger. And not just let this period go by. Make full use of it, and I don't know how. I think that's each one of our wisdom will manifest in our lives. But this is a time given for us to become a better version of ourselves. There is no way a person can sort of improve or become another version unless and until there is an obstacle. Challenges always act as springboards for us. So imagine it's a huge opportunity given to not just us, not just Indians, and not just one continent, but the entire planet has been given this challenge, only for us to use it as a springboard, learn something from it, and come out of it stronger and better. I really wish once we are out of this, there's a whole lot of compassion in our hearts. You loved my audio? Yeah, I did one, and that was also with Guneet Monga, and she suggested it. It's called My Ex Breast, and it's on Amazon. Amazon, no? Amazon, yeah, sorry. Oh, thank you. I'll give your love to Viraj and Varushka. Thank you. My love story is amazing. No, it's full of flaws and it's very funny. But yeah, unless and until you have problems and obstacles in life, I think you don't make an interesting story. So we should celebrate our struggles. Kahani banti hai. Guneet is sending me roses. Thank you. From Calcutta, Nature's Devotee. So sweet. Thank you so much. This was lovely. Gunjan Malhotra, thank you. Noor Aisha, thank you. I get a lot of inspiration from everyone. Ayushman is having curry chawal. Yeah. What advice do I give single girls who are seeking love? I think, honestly speaking, we need to love ourselves to begin with. And the day we start loving ourselves and respecting for the person that we are genuinely going to attract a lot of love into our environment. Our external environment is a reflection of our internal environment. So if there is chaos inside of you, if there is doubt inside of you, I think that's what comes across. And this has been a learning from me. I was not like this at all. These are the teachings of my practice of the faith, and it made so much more sense to me because I was a confused teenager. It doesn't, just because I married the guy I dated first doesn't mean that I did not have my challenges as a person, as a teenager. I have had many challenges, and the part that I didn't like about those challenges is that I disrespected myself. I did not give myself enough importance and love. I considered myself full of flaws, which I am, but I didn't celebrate my flaws. I used to look down upon them, and that made me hide into my shell and made me pretty much complexed. So if there's any word of advice that I have for young girls, is that truly have so much of love in your heart that you are actually spilling that love out, and that's what you attract into your environment. Yeah. DMs I don't know how to check right now. हाँ, मेरे को यही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. What I'm doing right now, I can't multitask. I'll check later. Who's my Bhumika Sahil Bhatia? Hi. Pineapple has given me a lot of hearts. Yes, नम्य हो रहेंगे क्या हो? That's great. Kashyap Shukla. Want to see Bala? Please mention me there. Regina. Hello. Aviral Gupta, shut up. He's another friend of mine, and I have an interesting story to share with him. So he and me, we have been doing theatre for quite some while. We had a theatre group in Chandigarh called Manch Tantra, and then everybody grew out. People went to Bombay to make a life for themselves, and so did my husband. And I was basically lost for most part of my life, and I was oscillating between Bombay and Chandigarh, pretty much confused what to do and not. But my heart always lay in theatre, and so Aviral and me, we decided to make a play, and it was called. It was based on my third book called Sold Out. It was, and he acted in the play, and of course he helped put up the entire production together. So big gratitude to him. But he had to tolerate a lot of my idiosyncrasies because I was pregnant. I was pregnant and I was a director. So I gave him a very hard time. So sorry for that, and thank you. Komal Bhatia, hey. Dishita, hi. Why don't you live video together with some fans? वो कैसे करते हैं यार? I don't know how to do that. I'll ask someone. This itself has been huge for me. Thank you, Amish. Thank you. Hello, Kit Kat. You are. Thank you. Okay, so now since we have a whole lot of people, I think I am just going to say few more departing notes before I say bye. This was a wonderful session, and I think I'm going to do this every Sunday with the intention I'll be better prepared the next time, because I didn't know how this thing works, and now I realize it's one way. I'm speaking and I can read a lot, but there's so many messages that I keep missing, but I'm reading them a lot too. Let's all determine to have a mission-oriented lockdown. I don't know if that makes sense to you. But this is a lockdown, and let's not let this opportunity go waste, because I'm very sure this is not going to come again in our lifetimes. So it's one in a lifetime thing which has come, and an opportunity for our generation. And I take it as an opportunity. So let's make the most of it, because I really hope, pray, wish, and I know we are not going to see this again. Since we're not going to see this again, this is an opportunity. Let's make this into a mission-oriented lockdown. I'm going to catch up with you next Sunday, and I would love to hear what all missions that you picked up during this 1 week. And I shall share my side of the story as well. Thank you so much. Love to everyone, and thank you for giving me so much love. So much love to you all back. Thank you. बंद कैसे करना है? End. Okay.